That is a visual representation of how inconsistent I have been on this YouTube channel. Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year to everybody. It's 2025, it's another year. I know the last time I posted a YouTube video, last time I posted a YouTube video was like April 2024. I'm not entirely sure, but it's been a while. So we're back. I hope not to be inconsistent anymore. But you know, stick with me, stay around. And yeah, so how have you all been? How was 2024? How is 2025? How has it been so far? Actually, it's been 5 days since 5th of January. How has it been? I've been enjoying 2025, to be honest. 2025 has been good. I mean, it's just 5 days in, but like, yeah, I feel like it's going to be one of the best years of my life. But you know, we always think that in the beginning of every year till you see shaggy. Well, I don't know about you, but I had some goals, some plans for 2025, and one of them was to take my content creation seriously again, and that's why I am back here. Another thing that I wanted to do was to lock my hair. So that is what I'm going to do today. Today is Sunday. If you have not already guessed by my outfit, I'm going to church. So I'm going to go to church this morning. When I'm back from church, my hairstylist will come and put my hair into micro twists, which will eventually turn into microlocs. I've decided that this year I'm going to give this commitment thing a try, because do you know how many times I have started this lock? I know in 2020 I started like 2 or 3 times, but after a while I'm like, oh, I can't do this. I just take it down and wear my loose natural hair. But now I must take this shit seriously. I must take it seriously. I must try to commit to something, even if it's just, you know, committing to doing locks for the rest of my life. Anyway, let us go to church, and then when we get back, we'll put our hair in locks and, you know, do whatever other activity I have for today. So I'm excited to take you guys along with me. It's been a while since I did all this stuff, so I'm sorry if I'm just rambling on and on and on. But yeah, let's go. So this is the whole vibe for today. I'm wearing this abaya. Yeah, that's how it's called, yeah. So that's what I'm wearing to church with my scarf. And then I threw on, I just wanted something simple and chill. So I just threw on this platform slippers. So yeah, that is how I'm going to church today. I'm back from church and it's time to do my hair. Or about my hair is looking crazy right now. So let's go fix it. Let's go fix it. My hairstylist is already here. She won't go here before I go home from church, so let's get started. finished look. I love it so much. Woo. So cute. I love it so much. I can't wait to see how this hair is going to evolve to become locked totally. For now, I love how it's looking. I love it so much. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, so crossed one thing off my vision board that is getting these locks. Yeah. I'm glad that I got micro twists now, because usually I would start locks, but then I'll get tired of it and I'll take down deep twists. But now that it's in this micro twists, by the time I think of taking this hair down, I will advise myself to keep going. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. Yeah. I'm so exhausted. God. I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed. I just want to sleep. But I still have to journal. I wanted to show you guys my vision board. But I'll just leave that for another video. Yeah, I'll just leave that for another video. I'm just going to talk in depth about my vision board and, you know, teach you how to make yours too, so as to achieve your goals in 2025. Then I'm just gonna journal this night before I go to bed, because I'm trying to be consistent on my journaling. I've been consistent so far for over 4. I've not missed one day. So let's not start today. I'm just gonna hop in the shower, have my bath, and then journal and go to bed, because I'm freaking exhausted. I don't even know I'm exhausted, because all I did was sit down. But I'm tired. Anyway, yeah, let's do that. I didn't realize how unprepared I was for this thing, because what exactly is on my head? Seriously, I can't find my satin bonnet. So I just had to make do with this. I'm just seriously, what is this heat? I thought this was Hamatan. I don't understand what is going on. So I'm just rambling on and on. I just want to get this over with and go to bed.